Chris here with Handle It. Today we're going to take a look at our space-saving end-of-aisle rack protectors and how they're used with seismic base plates on racking. Here's a 42-inch upright with a 12-inch space and another 42-inch upright back to back. Notice the plates on here. They're seismic base plates. They're 5x8 plates. And on this side here, you're covering the right end of the racking, and over there, you're covering the left end of the racking. So in this scenario, we have a 48-inch left and a 48-inch right. We don't have a 42 because we're trying to cover up that middle space a little bit. Normally what would happen is if you don't have these plates, this would be covered in all the way, but because on each side you have an extra inch, you have about a 2-inch gap in the middle there. But you get most of it covered in this scenario. The nice thing about these is that they are notched out where the plates would be, so you actually do get closer to the upright and save about 4 inches of that aisle space. So the space-saving rack protector is a nice solution, especially for tunnels where you don't have a lot of space in the middle in between the aisles.